Might be zoomed in too much.
That was exciting.
There we go. I know you're in there somewhere. Whoop!
There goes my hat. The pilots. Where are the pilots?
Your screen gets really dark for me sometimes.
No, okay, here. Yeah, it's really flat. I only can fly for about 3 minutes before the battery gets low. Who's in trouble?
Dang!
We're going to blow it around low. Let's see what happens.
I get this shaded area in here and I just can't see what's going on at all. Whoa! I know you're out there somewhere. It's this angle that I can't see shit. There it is.
Lots of runway. I think I tore my gear out.